It's that interconnectivity and the enthusiasm that everyone here brings to be impactful, to make a difference in a person's life.
Help them, enable them, empower them to become more independent.
The words that jump out to me is innovative. I think they're empowering and creative, compassionate.
You know, being creative, solution-focused, always thinking about how can we have the greatest amount of impact to change the story of that individual's life.
Adam is nonverbal, so he doesn't use any words to speak at all. He does a little bit of signs, but the communication device is where it's picture-oriented, and he touches the pictures, and it's a voice output for him, so he can speak and communicate. He can make fuller sentences now. He says, "I like to have pizza, please." You know, whereas before he might have just said, you know, "hungry." So now he can get more details into what it is that he's looking to get his needs met.
I think that one of the biggest things is that we know that communication is probably one of the most essential pieces of our lives, and so we work with people to try to bring communication, efficiency, effectiveness, and build their independence so that they can get their wants and needs met. We also run a camp in August for children that use computers to communicate.
My favorite thing in the summer is Camp Communicate. All the kids have talking devices like me.
So when you start to provide those tools and help someone maybe develop some new skills within themselves, you really are changing the path of their life. A young boy named Nicholas comes to mind. What camping has done for him is really given him a strong sense of self-esteem and confidence. Nicholas is a young man who does use a wheelchair. He does live with CP, but that's not a barrier for him.
Nicholas would be a whole different person if it wouldn't be for his connection with Pine Tree Camp. I think just the idea of a place like Pine Tree Camp where the kids get a chance to experience the outdoors. I think our first priority, and that's why I'm part of Pine Tree Society, is our people first.
We have a day program here that serves adults with intellectual disabilities. People come and have opportunities to access their community, participate.
Well, we did a lot of George because he needs help. He can't get out of his house, so there was groceries for him. Put him away for him and go get him for him. It's awesome. Great for us to go help somebody that is in need, that needs a lot of help.
One story that sticks out in my mind is a young girl that when she came into kindergarten, she was considered nonverbal, and yet you could tell she wanted to use verbal speech, and it was quite compromised at the time.
Fence.
Nice. Do you want to listen to this one?
Fence.
So I happened to be the speech pathologist working with her, and I think one of the most powerful moments after doing a lot of work with her over a couple of years was when her father said to me that the first time that she ever said "I love you" made him melt.